Yo, what's going on? This is Brian once again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add variations to products in your Bosscart store. So sometimes you might have a product that has different options associated with it, like a different color, different size, something that may or may not change the actual price of the product. I'm going to show you how to set all that up and set it up so that if there is a change in the price based on the variation, how easy it is to do that. All right, let's hop right to it. So inside of our builder, we want to go to the My Shop tab, and then we want to hit up our products. And then here you'll see the list of your products. So just open up a product. And then, so for this particular product, it's a hat, and there's 4 different colors here. I've already uploaded the different colors. So I'm going to scroll down to add variation. If you don't have variations already there, I'm going to add variation, and then you're going to put the type of variation that it is. So you don't add the variations here, you add what it is. So right here I have size, I have color. It could be length, it could be, you know, any whatever it is that you're changing on this product, that's where you would put it. So for this one, we're going to put color because we're going to add the 4 different colors. So we put color, and then under values, we're going to add the different colors that we have. So we're going to go, so we're going to add Kelly green, and then you want to separate it by comma. This is auto-populating because I've already done this. So we're going to select Kelly green, and then what else do we have? We have burgundy maroon. We got Ron Burgundy, Bow, and then we've got black. And then what else do we have here? Looks like some kind of gray with the official name of it. Yep, the official name is gray. And I'm not using the comma, I'm hitting enter. That's why it's just popping up like that. Boom. And there you go. Our variations are set up. So we're gonna hit save. Then we're gonna open up our store. Look on the front end, we're gonna hit refresh. And then let's look at our hat. And as you can see right here, the color variation has a drop down. So when we select that, it's going to add it to our cart. And if we were to check out, you'll see that the variation shows up in our cart. So when the order goes through, you're going to get the variation name that the customer chose. So it's that simple. That's how you do it. Now, what if, let's say your burgundy maroon costs $1 more, right? So let's go back to our store, and then we're gonna click our hat again. And then we're gonna go back down to variation, and then we're gonna select advanced. So now this will give us different options for each variation. So we can have the price change for every particular variation. We can have the SKU be different. We can have the stock different, the weight different. My phone keeps going off telling me to take a break, but we're not taking a break because there's no days off, no plays off. So for this one, we're gonna say, okay, the burgundy hat is, the regular price is $22. We're gonna make it $25. So what we do is change this to $25. Matter of fact, we'll do something even more crazy because we can actually have a sale price. So we're gonna make it $25.99, and then the sale price is $25. So they're really getting a good deal. Really getting a good deal here. Saving 99 cents. And then we're gonna click on sale, just so it shows that it's on sale. And then hit save. right? So we're gonna go back to our product page and we're gonna hit refresh here. And then we've got Kelly Green, we got black. Wait a minute, did I change the Kelly Green? Am I going? When it's no days off, you don't get sleep, you start seeing things. So yeah, the whole time I was changing the Kelly Green one. So you guys probably thought I was crazy. But basically Kelly Green made it $25.99 and then I made the sale price $25. If I were to take it off of sale, hit save, come back here, hit refresh, it will make it straight up $25.99, right? So when you have different sizes, maybe you have extra large shirt that has to be a few dollars extra, that's how you would make that change. And then you hit save, and then boom, you've got different variations. Now, you can add more than one. So, okay, we've got this size one. Cool, that's great. Let's add, we've got the colors. Maybe we want to add size, and we could do that here. You know, huge, small head, right? And then hit save. And then we're going to hit refresh back on our product screen, and then we've got the huge, we've got the small head size. And we want to go even more advanced. We can go to the advanced on here. And then what this does is it's going to take each variation and pair it with every other variation to create the different combinations. So that's why you see Kelly Green huge, Kelly Green small head, and you know, as you have a lot of variations, this list gets longer. But you're just gonna go through and say, okay, our Kelly Green was it $25.99? So the Kelly Green on all of them is just gonna be $25.99. We'll just go through our Kelly Greens, $25.99. Small head or big head. Matter of fact, if it's a huge head, then we gotta make it 30. It's a lot of fabric, you know, it's a big noggin to deal with, right? And boom, so we've got $30 for a Kelly Green huge, Kelly Green small head is $25.99, and then we'll just go $23 for the other huges. So burgundy maroon huge, 23, black huge, 23, that doesn't sound right. Gray huge, 23. Hit save. All right, so now when we go back, hit refresh on our product, we've got the Kelly Green huge is $30. Small head, $25.99, right? Burgundy maroon, 23 huge. Small head, 22. Black, small head, 22. Huge, 23. Really simple. Does all the calculation for you, and you can add as many variations as you need. You know, try not to do so many. If you need to, just create a separate product. Just so if you need to edit a price on something, it's not taking you 25 minutes to go through at every variation, every combination. And let's see, if we went back to the store, you'll see that the price states that it starts at $22. So that would probably be the small at the burgundy, or the small head at one of the regular colors. And there you go. So basically, that's how you add variations to your products. Really simple, really easy, not that complicated. We're gonna cut this video. Try to keep it short. But if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Matter of fact, hit it and then hit it again and then hit it one more time. And then leave a comment and let me know if it helped. Until next time, peace out.